up, y'all? It's your girl Swish. Before we get started, I want to say thank you for tuning into my YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So before we get into today's activities, because we do got some activities, I want to tell you guys a little bit about me. I am from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Manchester to be exact. I like to have fun. I like to hang out with friends. I am a licensed nail technician in the state of Pennsylvania. I like to create things. And I just like to be a vibe. I am a vibe. I would say I'm a loving person. I am a good person. I enjoy books that help me improve who I am as a person and help me elevate and grow. If you guys have any recommendations, make sure you drop them in the comments. I have been reading this book. It is called Set Boundaries and Find Peace, A Guide to Reclaiming Yourself by Nidra Glover Tawwab. It does say this is New York Times bestseller, you guys, and I understand why. I've read this book and it really helped me get through last year. Even though I'm finished with the book, I do like to go back and just kind of get some things instilled in my head when I'm kind of like straddling the fence. I did purchase the book on Amazon. It is a really good read. So if you guys like reading, make sure you cop that. 2024 was a really rough year for me, y'all. It really was. It was so dark. However, I'm happy that I did go through it and I got through it because it made me who I am today. The best thing that happened to me in 2024, which is a great way to end the year, I have a godson. He was born on December 16th. My baby boy, Zakai Dallas. Hey, Zakai, I hope your mommy showed you this. Your godmom loves you. I told you guys before, we do have a day full of activities. So let's just roll right into it. So today is Sunday, December 29th. It is currently 9 o'clock in the morning. I am super tired. I had a really rough time sleeping last night. I don't know why. However, I have a makeup appointment at 10:30 and then I have a photo shoot at 12. I'm going to take you guys with me to get some behind the scenes, give you guys some content. So I did get my hair done yesterday by my cousin Mortasia. I will tag her Instagram. I slept a little crazy. I tried to sleep pretty. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I tried so hard, but I was scared to mess up these baby hairs. And then I didn't want to sleep on my curls or sleep on my back because it's pulled up. This is still cute, okay? But this right here, it kind of like fell. So I have to wand them. I got my wander, I'm gonna wand them, and then I'm gonna put these little rollers in them old school 90s rollers in them so it could keep the curl until it's time for me to actually get my pictures taken.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be.
Just arrived to Tay's makeup studio. Get your fleek on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow her. I am out of breath because I did just have to carry so much stuff up here for the photo shoot. But I'm hoping that I can get some behind the scenes content of her doing my makeup if she allows it.
Like you want it.
like anything other than the soft glam. So this smoky eye is really new to me. What y'all think? To the deeds though. You got to the deeds. Yeah, she ate down. It's gonna be rad, so I am gonna see you guys at the shoot. So.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein is ciao for now. Ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, ciao for now. Ciao, ciao. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow, yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want how much, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever present mine. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. No, turn policy, she can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
All right, you guys, so it is a wrap. I want to say thank you to all my glam girls, my hair, my makeup, my photos. I supported my cousins and my homegirl Tay, who did the makeup. They are young Black entrepreneurs, all female, and I'm so happy to have them be a part of my journey. You guys really ate down, A-T-E, ate the freak down. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. But right now, it is a wrap.
Motherfucker, me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
I just want to say, Swish, she always comes with the confidence, always come with the looks. Like, I'm just always so honored to be that person for her, to always help support her and hype her up whenever she needs it. You know, she don't really need it because she's really that girl. So this shoot was amazing. It was amazing. Like, you really did a great job. You really did a good job. So I'll see you next time.